Mine's Bob.
Mine's Harry.
Harry? Well, I sure like you, Harry.
You
Can
wanna
we
come
be friends, Harry?
Yeah, sure. Hey, come in here.
Okay.
Come in my castle.
Can the horse come in too?
No,
He's got to stay outside. He may poopy. Okay, you stay out here.
No, he can come inside.
What if he poopies in the castle?
He won't.
All right. Ooh, I like this castle.
Come in.
He's gonna lick me to death.
Diesel.
Hey, horse, come in here. Come in
They
here.
can. I can't see the horse. Can I turn it around? Ooh, can the dragon even go in there too? Is he your
Dees.
pet?
Yeah, he's okay.
You are sitting on the couch.
Yeah, come up here.
He guards the castle. Which, oh, like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, cool.
Get on here.
It's a trick.
Yeah. I'll get you on here.
We need some more men.
Men,
We need some more men.
we just had some men, all of them. I got you in there.
You did? Gosh, I'm gonna. That don't look too healthy.